Think back to your first interaction with AI. You typed a question, hit enter, and received an answer. This is known as zero-shot prompting. But as powerful as these models are, they often hit a wall. Hallucinations, logic errors, and a lack of real-world reasoning can lead to frustrating failures. The evolution is here. We are shifting from static prompts to agentic workflows, dynamic systems designed around a continuous decision-making loop. At the heart of an agentic system is the loop. The AI doesn't just stop at the first draft. It plans, executes, inspects, and self-corrects. Traditional LLMs act like a linear arrow. One input, one output. In contrast, an AI agent is like a rotating gear, constantly refining its own work. Imagine an AI that sees its own mistakes. It uses a metaphorical magnifying glass to inspect its code, instantly turning red errors into green successes. To understand how this works, we look at 4 key design patterns. The first is reflection. The AI generates a draft, then critiques itself. This self-correction process continues until the final version meets the highest standards, far surpassing what a single-shot prompt could ever achieve. The second pattern is tool use. Agents aren't confined to their training data. They can reach out to the web, databases, and APIs. Data flows back and forth instantly. The agent fetches real-time information, processes it through code, and delivers an informed, accurate result. Next is planning. Instead of being overwhelmed by a massive goal, the agent breaks the task down into smaller, manageable steps. One by one, the agent checks them off. Research, wireframing, coding, and testing. It knows exactly where it is in the process. Finally, we have multi-agent collaboration. Here, specialized agents work together like a high-performance team in a virtual workspace. They pass folders, share insights, and peer review each other's work. The collective intelligence of the group far outweighs the individual. For these agents to function, they need memory, a persistent state that stores context between loops, allowing the system to learn as it goes. This leads to a fundamental shift in design philosophy. We no longer just need bigger models. We need smarter systems. Small, efficient models operating within a well-designed agentic loop can often outperform massive, multi-billion parameter monoliths. The future of automation isn't just about AI that talks, it's about AI that acts. From autonomous coding to complex business operations, businesses that embrace these workflows will unlock new levels of productivity, building systems that think, execute, and adapt in real time. The era of the agent is here. It's time to move beyond the prompt and start building the future of autonomous intelligence. Master agentic workflows and lead the next wave of AI innovation. Start your journey today.